Hey, it's Jackson Hudecki from Royal Botanical Gardens, and I'm out here checking out what kind of bird life is existing on our nature sanctuaries on a regular winter day. Let's see what's out there, eh? Heck, this didn't even cover things like crossbills or redpolls or waxwings or falcons. But that just leaves more to be discovered by you. What are you seeing when you're birding the RBG trails this winter? Let us know. As always, stay inquisitive, friends. You can't tell, but I'm giving you the peace sign. Stay safe. Stay birdie.